In this video, we are going to show you the cha-cha basic dance steps with a partner and show it to you to music. What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
From Social Dance Online, your #1 resource for social dancing. So in this video, we're going to show you 3 basic cha-cha dance steps, and we're going to demo them to music. So first, we'll show you the steps to music, and then we'll break down the leaders and followers footwork for your cha-cha basics. All right, gang, these are 3 basic steps that you can dance with a partner in a very small amount of space. So even if you're in your living room at the house, this will work. Or if you're in a dance studio like we are, the 3 steps are these that we're gonna learn. Number 1, we're gonna learn the basics. So this is my basic. We'll cover the footwork in just a second, right? The second pattern we're gonna learn is the crossbody lead. This lets me take my partner to the other side to change my view. This is the crossbody lead to the other side. And the third is a 2-hand progressive, which again lets us jazz some things up, lets us move a little bit. So let's quickly do the leaders and followers footwork. We're gonna move relatively fast because it's YouTube, and you can go ahead and slow this down if you want. But I'm gonna have my back to you, and then we'll flip spaces. So the basic footwork looks like this. We step to the side for 1, we back rock for 2, we replace 3, we cha-cha to my right, her left for cha-cha-cha. We rock forward and back, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, and cha-cha-cha. If you want numbers to that, we count all the way through the 8. We're gonna dance 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and another customary way you'll see this counted in a lot of videos, and sometimes even with us, is just to use 4 counts and repeat. That's kind of common for cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and so on. So we'll quickly let the followers take a peek at the basic footwork with Miss Megan.
All right, followers, you're gonna start with your right foot going to the right. We have 1, forward 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, back 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha.
Cool, so if we're dancing this in a basic frame, good basics, I'm gonna put Miss Megan's back to the camera. I always wanna be looking over my partner's right shoulder, and my partner's always looking over my right shoulder. This hand is gonna go underneath her, her left arm, halfway on her side, halfway on the back. She's gonna put this hand on me, not with enough weight to push me down, but just enough to close the gap. This hand is gonna go, I always call this towel on the towel bar. So my hand is the towel bar, Miss Megan's hand is the towel. We're gonna close that hand. It's gonna sit eye height. Whose eyes? Her eyes. So if I was shorter, regardless, it's the same eye height. And I'm gonna keep this relationship right here, and I'm gonna do this with my back to the camera, and then Miss Megan's back to the camera. Our full basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cool, and then with Miss Megan's back to the camera. So followers to your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So that is your first of the basics with a partner. The second cha-cha basic we're gonna cover is called the crossbody lead. That's called the crossbody lead because she's gonna dance across my body to get to the other side. So that one looks like this, and then we'll teach the footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cool? So if I did this footwork 2 with my back to the camera, I'm gonna put Miss Megan on that side so leaders can learn this. The good news is it's very, very similar to a basic in the fact that I dance 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, rock 6, freeze here. So normally I would dance cha-cha to the side, and I'm going to do that in the crossbody lead, but I'm gonna open my left shoulder a quarter turn for a cha-cha-cha. From here, I'm gonna rock back with my right foot like I would in a basic, rock, step, and I'm gonna make another quarter turn to my left, cha, cha, cha. So I've made a full 180, 2 quarter turns. Let's do that one more time for the leaders. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. Cool? Let's do that from the reverse side. So Miss Megan can do that. You probably want to scooch back a little, Miss Megan.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rock back 6, 7. We are going to cha-cha forward, cha-cha-cha, and we're going to step forward, turn back, and now we're going to cha-cha to the side, cha-cha-cha, going back into our basic from there.
One more time, please.
Yep. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Cool. So to dance this cha-cha basic, the crossbody lead with a partner, I want you to practice one thing. Get your hold, close position, drop this hand between you, leaders, and just practice opening up. So see how I have to just drop this hand and practice opening up. My right hand stays still, but I need to create this little L shape with our bodies. That's going to happen between count 6 and 7, or after count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. By this rock step here, I'm going to drop this hand. I want to keep my hands square as I do my cha-cha before I bring my partner across. So from here, I have my cha-cha to my left, forward for you followers, cha-cha-cha. Now from here, I move my hands across and back up on my rock step, across and back up. So you can see my partners come across my body, cha-cha-cha. Let's look at it from this side. So this is your second cha-cha basic with a partner, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step. Once Miss Megan's to the other side, I can bring this up, which tells her we are back to our basic. So we have a third cha-cha basic with a partner. I think these 3 make a nice little set to keep you entertained. And that's going to be any time that my partner rocks away from me, I'm going to drop my hands to a 2-hand hold. I like this hold. You can take this grip right here. You can do it underneath, whatever feels comfortable, but I'd pick either this one or this one. Cool. And then from here, I'm going to cha-cha back and back forward. And I can do this a couple times. Whenever I'm comfy or bored, I can put this back up to eye height and take her back to my basic, right? So let's quickly cover the footwork for that, leaders and followers. It's mirrored, so it's relatively simple. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, stop here. So leaders and followers, this is now my path. I don't want to head back to the side. I want to stay in my path. Cha, 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 and rock, step, cha, 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 and rock, step. So let's get a teeny bit technical. At Social Dance Online, we like to teach technique insofar as it's important to master things socially. So from this forward rock, let's do the whole basic. 2, 3, cha, 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 rock, step. And this is true for leaders or followers. Sometimes when the leaders or followers move backwards, the footwork can get crossed up. So what I want to do is I want to step back, preferably with the ball of my foot. Pull this foot right in front, then step back and rock, step. Now the follower is going to do the same thing. She's going to step back, pull that foot right in front, and step back. Cool? So if we flip this around, Megan can talk about it from the follower's perspective. Same both ways.
Yep, so we have 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, rock back, 2, 3, forward together, forward, rock, step, back together, back, rock, step, and if we went back to the side or continued
back to the side. So if we put these 3 cha-cha basics with a partner together, we'd have our basic. We would have our crossbody lead. Drop the hands. We'd have our progressive basic. And when we're done with that, we could pick it back up. If you want to be slick, crossbody lead again, and you're back to your basics. So there are 3 basics for cha-cha with a partner. You can learn those, rewind them, master the steps, practice them together. And if you like things like that, we've got a whole website dedicated to social dancing. So on that site, you'll find cha-cha, you'll find East Coast swing, dances like nightclub and country 2-step and West Coast swing. Lots of fun stuff there. Head on over to Social Dance Online, enter your email address on the first page. With the Week Club, we send out a cool pattern each week to our subscribers, and you'll also get a free membership with 60 free videos on the site. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread. Thanks, gang, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.